Hello and welcome. This is Vijay Kharade, your coach for this program. Those of you who have worked on estimating large and complex projects using traditional approaches like work breakdown structure would know the complexities involved in understanding all the requirements upfront before coming up with some absolute number as the final estimates. Imagine that we are working on a project that has 100 requirements. We break down each of these requirements perhaps into 2000 different tasks. We then estimate each of these tasks and arrive at the final absolute number. By the way, it's a completely different question as to how many times do all these requirements remain the same by the time the project is delivered, and how many times do these projects get delivered within estimates. So coming back to our original topic, in relative way of estimation, you would first categorize these 100 user stories into different sizes, something like small, medium, large, etc. And once you know what a tiny user story is, it is easier to find the small one. And once you know what a small user story is, it is easier to find the medium one, and so on. In the next step, during iteration planning, the development team, of course in collaboration with the product owner, would pick up those user stories that give the highest value and can be delivered within the current iteration. Remember here, the focus is narrowed down only to those few user stories for a detailed task breakdown and planning. Now, let me ask this question to you. When would you be more confident about delivering the project with expected quality and within time? In the first case, when you work on all 2000 tasks for 100 requirements with a lot of risks, a lot of unknowns, or in the second case, when you work on a small set of user stories with better understanding around functionality, acceptance criteria, and other aspects of the requirements. Think about it. This brings us to the end of this lesson. See you in the next lesson.